How to unblock someone on Discord. If any day any of you are a Discord user and you would like to unblock someone on your Discord server but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For that, first of all, you have to check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be your Wi-Fi connection or your data connection as well. After you check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not, you have to launch the very Discord application on your mobile device. For that, you can go to the search icon on your mobile device, search Discord application out there, or you can manually search the very Discord application on your mobile device. In order to manually search the very Discord application on your mobile device, you can scroll left or right until you find the very Discord application on your mobile device. After you find the very Discord application on your mobile device, you have to tap on the very Discord application and you can send it face like this. Now you have to go to the very option of the message out there, because after you tap on the very message out there, you can tap on the person whom you had blocked. After you see that you have blocked very person there, you can see in the very message section the very option of unblock. Now you can go to the option of the unblock there, and after you tap on unblock, the very person that you have blocked on the very Discord will be unblocked. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.